In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a shape in PowerPoint or Word without rotating the photo image inside it. You'll find this particularly handy if you want to add some dynamic flair to your presentations or documents while keeping images neatly in place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. It's the gateway to all the creative possibilities we are about to explore. Once you've got PowerPoint up and running, locate the presentation you're working on. This step is straightforward if you have it already open. Just make sure you're settled on the slide that contains the shape you want to edit. Once you're in the presentation, identify the shape that holds the image you wish to work with. Click on this shape to select it. It might be a circle, a rectangle, or any other shape you find visually appealing. Selecting the shape is crucial because it allows us to access the editing options we need. With the shape highlighted, right-click on it. This action brings up a context menu providing several options to modify the selected object. From this menu, look for the option labeled Format Shape. Click on it. Selecting Format Shape will open up a new panel on the right side of your screen where you'll find a variety of formatting tools. In this panel, we're interested in the option called Picture or Texture Fill. Clicking on this option may open up additional choices for filling your shape with interesting textures, including our desired image. Once you select Picture or Texture Fill, you'll notice an option marked as Insert. Click on that. Now you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose from a file. This choice allows you to explore your computer's directories to find the specific image file you want to insert into your shape. After clicking from a file, take a moment to browse through your files and select the image you want to feature. Once you've found it, hit Insert. The image should now populate the shape precisely where you want it. Here's the key step. The newly opened panel includes a checkbox option labeled Rotate with Shape. Uncheck this box. This small adjustment ensures that as you rotate your shape, the image within it remains in its original orientation and doesn't turn along with the shape itself. And there you have it. Now with this setup, you can freely rotate your shape, play around with angles, and create the exact look you're aiming for, all without affecting the orientation of the image inside. This technique can really enhance the visual dynamics of your project, making it both professional and engaging. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and images to really make your presentation stand out. Happy designing!